Welcome to my new playlist Patterns. It's all about bringing things together, and we start with a very interesting one. You may have seen some shootings of logos or words or something in Malta, and I show you how you can do it with Finale and what the principles are behind these kind of shootings.
Hi. In this video I want to show you how you can create comet shootings for small pictures like a smiley or a heart or something else. The first thing you should do is to search on Google for a pixel art like a smiley. Then check the result images to find a nearest match. I think this is a nice one and could be reproduced. Okay, so then I start my cake creator tool, which also has some other functions. Type in the browser cake-creator.finale3d.de. Of course you can create cakes with it, but you also can make comet shootings and lance works. The first thing you have to do is to define the effect you want to use in the cake or in the comet shootings. Let's define it here, a white and yellow comet here. Now I switch to the second tab, that's called Tube Fillings. We now see a matrix here. You can select the defined comets with the specified color from this drop box here. I need the yellow comet and begin to draw the shapes of the face. Click on a point that you want to activate or move the mouse around while pressing the Shift key for a freehand drawing. If you make a mistake and mark a point at the wrong position, you can switch on the Clear Tube button. If it is selected, you can easily remove wrong comets. To draw new comets, turn off the Clear Tube again. We now switch the color of the comet to draw the eyes and the mouth. After everything is finished, we switch to the Comet Shooting tab. Here we only have to click on this link, create a comet shooting script. The script will be created and downloaded automatically in the download directory of your browser. Now it's time to switch to Finale. To import the script, go to File, Import. Import Show. Import into New Show. Now I select the script we created some moments ago. Depending on the source of the script, you can automatically adjust a few things, but in our case you don't have to change the settings here. It takes a while now. But at least we see the summary that informed us how many effects are used. To see the result, just play it. Very nice. Now, you can fine-tune the shooting. For example, we can change the distance between the positions. I will look from the top to see the complete distance. Then I unlock the positions. Let's see it here. And I like to shrink the distance a little bit, so I mark the positions. Arrange it in a line again and specify the new distance. Maybe 100 meters. Okay. Let's play it again. Looks a lot better. If we wanted to fine-tune the speed of shooting, we had to mark all effects. So I choose Script. Stretch Duration. You see the duration at this time and can enter a new value here. To make it slower, increase the value. To shot faster, decrease it. For demonstration value I make I much slower here. After the change the view is also adjusted. So, play the show again to see if it is okay, now. Of course, in a real world you had to experiment with the time and distance between the shots. Also, a use of good quality comets is recommended here. Important is that Finale can import CSV file from different sources so you can generate these script from external programs,